Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. I hope you all are doing well. Good evening to all of you. So guys, in this video, let me tell you a recent job openings from Singapore. So guys, if you have a dream to move Singapore with your jobs, please keep watching this video till the end and let's focus what is the recent job openings from Singapore. And in these critical situations of virus disease in entire world, there is a very important things I would like to suggest you. Please stay at home and be safe and collect these informations. And after coming the normal situations to this world, of course you can apply for this job by this information. So please collect these informations and focus if this job is related to your profession and if you have experience also, because as you know the international employer always requirements a experience holder. So please focus to the requirements with the applying process, everything details. Maybe it will be helpful for your careers. So let's start. The first job is visual merchandising manager requires in Singapore. We are currently representing an MNC company. Hire a visual merchandising manager. The manager will be involved in strategic planning and overseeing executions of Singapore markets. There is a high level of exposure in managing retail operations and visual merchandising. So guys, the talent requirements to apply for this job: minimum a bachelor's degree in marketing or relevant field, at least 6 years of related retail operations, visual merchandising experience, working experience in retail consumer goods is plus. Able to start with immediate notice is high preferred, high level of creativity and innovations. So this is the basic requirements to apply for this job. Please focus. If you are really eligible to apply for this job, you should have the proper qualifications and experience as per mentioned by the employer. So this is job descriptions. You can read it carefully from the descriptions below this video. All information is available there. Next step, how to apply. You can collect this official email ID. If you have the proper qualifications and experience as per mentioned by the employer, please forward your updated CV and a cover letters to the given official email ID. This is the office address also with contact numbers. Next job, accounts and admin assistant required in Singapore. The salary will be 2,500 Singapore dollar. AP functions Monday to Friday duty. The opportunity, our client heavy machinery industry, and the job assist with a day-to-day accounting operations duties. So this is all about the accounts department jobs. You should have the qualifications as a O level of diploma in accountancy or relevant professional certificates, minimum 2 years of experience. I already told you the international employer or the company always requirements experience holder candidates. So you should have the proper qualifications and experience to apply for this job. And you can apply by forwarding your updated CV. You can send your CV and cover letter to the given both of official email ID, and you can directly contact also by adding the Singapore country code +65, and you can apply for this job. I already told you, again I would like to tell you, this information you can collect with you now, and you can apply also after the virus disease issues will resolve. You can attend the interview, you can move forward to get a job. So guys, let's talk customer service executive. Customer service executive job requirements from Singapore. The client is one of the global leaders in pharmaceuticals and healthcare equipment industry. The client is currently expanding their business and is looking for a talent to join to them. Basic salary will be 2,500 Singapore dollar to 4,000 Singapore dollar, subjected to experience. That means it depends on experience. If you have previous experience as a customer service executive in national or international, of course this will be depends to get a figured salary. So guys, higher remuneration for candidates with prior experience. Working hours 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Working locations Boon Lay. This is a place in Singapore. The job, as you can see here, support customers during the sun page, prepare quotes and convert quotes into work orders. So all about the customer service jobs. If you are interested, please forward your updated CV to the given official email. Of course, you can also send your all documents by WhatsApp by this number. And this is also the company number through which you can directly verify. Next, I already told you about the accounting assistant Singapore job in Singapore. And guys, Next is electrical project engineer required in Singapore. This job is very high profile jobs. If you have the proper qualifications and experience, please focus what is the requirements. How do you react on an excellent opportunity to work with a leading and a well reputable oil processing plant? Company has strong regional presence and is achieving stable growth over the past years. Employee can expect functional and departmental transfer for wider exposure. The core value of company is our employee thrive under challenge in an situations and circumstances. So guys, to work as an electrical project engineer, this is all about the responsibilities. Manage and control contractors' work progress, safety costs, and ensure project objectives are fulfilled. Work with government submission consultants, contractors, internal and external stakeholders to resolve and side issues. This is all about the job responsibilities. You need to read it carefully from the descriptions, because if I explain you everything details, the video will be long. So let's move to next. Minimum 3 years of experience requirements in plant operations, process plant communications, able to manage third-party contractor under tight project timeline, hands-on and practical. So guys, this is all about the requirements to apply for this electrical project engineer job. If you have the proper qualifications and experience, and if you have the proper capacity to maintain this job, please forward your updated CV to the given both of official email ID. This is the contact number by the employer through which you can directly contact. So guys, today in this video I already shared with you different job openings from Singapore. Please collect these informations and if possible apply as soon as possible. And of course, after few days when the normal situation will come, of course you can get a notifications to attend the interview by Skype or by client interview in your country. So guys, let me tell you again the job openings from Singapore. The first job is visual merchandising manager. Second job is account and admin assistants. Then customer service executive. Next job, electrical project engineer. So guys, I'm telling you again and again, this is a recent job openings from Singapore. If you have a dream to move Singapore with a job, this is a very important to know. By this process, you can apply directly to the company, and you can, if you will be selected from the interview, they will process your visa and you can move Singapore by yourself. No need any agent, any consultancy. So guys, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. Please be care for this information and share all information to your friends and relatives if somebody want to move Singapore with a job. So guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I will come with a recent job openings, new job openings from another country. Up to that, stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.